Welcome back to Terry Trades. I just want to do a little video update, really, not my usual kind of overall analysis or daily update, but it's kind of like the end of the week update. For those of you who have been watching my videos before, I kind of been doing little trades here and there, trying to build a small account. But I was waiting. I've just had shoulder surgery, so I've got a bit more time to kind of sit in and spend a couple of days on it whilst I'm recovering. So the last 2 days, I just want to show you this because I thought it was actually really good. A good way to show you that you don't need a massive account to make money. You can do it on a small side and still make a decent money, even from the smaller account if you know how to play it, etc. So basically, what I've done I got back on Wednesday night, I think, and basically from yesterday, Thursday, I did trade for 2 days. I started with £10 something in my account, and I've managed to put up to over £90 worth, or just under £90 worth of profit in 2 days, just on a £10 account. And that's literally £10 in my account for everything. So let me just show you the history. So obviously this is a real account. It hasn't got my account number or anything on, but so this is the first day here. It's the first one, mainly just trading gold or ETH. Gold. So this is the first trade that actually I won, so to speak. But if you take the 1876 up to 29.29, that'll give you like £10, something or other. It's about £10 I started with, and I don't know if you can see it very well. Maybe not, but down here is £89. I don't know if I can show you at the bottom here. So it's just cut off, but it's £89.60 is the total realised profit from 11th and 9th 2025 to the 12th and 9th 2025. So that's the start of yesterday to the end of today. I don't know if I can actually move that or not without showing everything. So yeah, although my account balance is slightly different because what I've done, I'll explain that in a second. So yeah, I've just literally been doing my normal trading throughout the day. Obviously, the more bigger your account size, the more positions you can kind of add on. I don't know if it shows on here. Yeah, see, so like after this one, I've obviously I did one trade on pound dollar, but I also took and then put £50 away in a separate account just so they're safe and it's kind of in one side. And then I also took another £20 out as well. So I've actually got £70 on another account that I've just kept to the side. You can see from 48, I took another 20 out. So I brings it on 29, and obviously I brought my way back up again. Just by the last 2 days, just trading as I normally did, adding, building trades up in once I'm kind of building position sizes and stuff like that with the account balance that's available to me. And yeah, I've managed to pull away from, like I said, from like £10.98 to like just over £100, I think it is. So I got 30, 13 and 17 now. So £100 and 13 pence the end of the 2 days, which is I'm pretty happy about, if I'm honest, for 2 days, and starting with £11, say, and I've ended up with £100 in 2 days. And I'm never risking too much either, that's the key. My losses here, like 38p, £1.35, 135, 95, 120. I've got a few at the bottom, 363. That's probably my biggest loss, but you can see some other wins. There's like 18, 3, 3, 3. Some of these are like the same trade, but obviously I've just built a position into it. Just go down like £7, £5, and these are only on 1 ounce sizes. They're not kind of big ounce positions. They're just normal positions, and yeah, I managed to put up £90. So it just gets to show you what is possible even with a smaller account. I tend to use, this is not an affiliate, I haven't got an affiliate link to them or anything like that, but I've got Black Bull, who I use in the UK here, and they're pretty good. They do a high leverage, but obviously that's why I tend to just kind of make a bit of money, then put it out, and just keep in what if I lose the £30 in my account now, yeah, I don't want to. I'd do well to lose it, but I don't want to build up to £100 and then, if something happened and I lost it, I'd be furious. So I just tend to kind of take it out as and when, just keep the balance low, because I'm not trading big position sizes on this account. This is just, I'm usually doing 1 ounce or whatever it may be, 0.1 ETH, and you can still, make, from today. I don't know if it will show. So let me show you from yesterday. Split it up. So yesterday I did 62.48 profit, so it's better than yesterday. Today I haven't been feeling great either. So today I've done 27.12. So yeah, even today I've still profitable even with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 winners. So that just gets to show you, like, you can literally just win a few extra than you're losing, but because my average wins are higher than my losses, then obviously you're profitable. Um, if you'd like to find out, obviously, how I trade and like what I look at for setups and stuff like that, then drop us a comment, or like, and all that stuff, and I'll try and do a video about how I actually look for my setups and my theory behind it. Obviously, it's not financial advice. I just trade. This is the way I trade. I'm just happy to show everyone. I've got nothing to hide, and if I can help someone, then great. And if you could obviously like and subscribe, that'd be really helpful, because I'm still trying to build up the channel. And I tend to put, if I start a new position, I tend to kind of add it as a short onto YouTube, etc. So if you subscribe and follow, then obviously you'll get that notification when I upload it. I try and do it as quickly as possible when I do it, but it's not like a signal service. I'm just trying to be transparent, so you can see times I've posted stuff and trades I've took, and the outcome. So yeah, any questions, get in touch. Again, like, share it, follow, all that stuff. That'd be great. And I'll keep making videos and short stuff, and we'll see where it goes. All right, guys, I'll catch you next week, and have a great weekend. See you later.